So I've been uncovering some of the snow, as you had seen in one of my previous videos, for here in Maine in the winter, which is a challenging place for a gardener. And so what I've done, as well as exposing the cold frame that's got the chard underneath, I've exposed some seed heads. So here is still a sunflower stalk with some seeds on, and the chicken wire here, the fencing, birds can perch themselves on that and take the few seeds that are left there. We've got the same with phlox. If there's any seeds left on there, some birds will enjoy eating those. And then over here we've got the echinacea. So yeah, there's a few seeds in there that some birds will eat as well. So I've made sure to expose these as something for some birds, you know what I mean? Because as you can see, it's quite a difficult place for wildlife at this time of year. So any help we can give them, all the better.